Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2018 Subaru Forester cabin air filter, easy method. Open the glove box and lower it fully to expose the filter housing behind it. Unclip the housing cover carefully and slide the old filter out to avoid spreading dust. Check the filter orientation arrows, insert the new filter correctly, reattach the cover, and raise the glove box. Test airflow and enjoy fresher cabin air. Gather tools and a replacement filter before you start to make the job quick and tidy. A flathead screwdriver, gloves, and a rag are usually enough for this easy task. Confirm the replacement filter matches your Forester model so it fits snugly and seals properly. Work on a stable surface and keep small clips in a container so they don't get lost. This prep prevents delays during the swap. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car DIYs. Quick recommendation. After you replace the cabin air filter, try Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Forester smelling fresh and mask lingering odors. It is a small touch that makes a big difference on drives. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by lowering the glove box carefully and locating the rectangular filter housing behind it. Unclip the plastic cover and slide the old filter out slowly to avoid kicking up dust. Clean the housing with a rag if needed, then position the new filter with the arrows pointing toward the blower motor. Snap the cover back in place, raise the glove box, and check that it opens and closes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.